friends, in continuation to our previous discussion on Shastra or sharp surgical instruments in Ayurveda, now we are going to understand the remaining points. We are discussing the 20 types of Shastra. Next in the list is Antarmukh. Antarmukh, it is named so as the straight cutting edges of it are within its curved claws. It is semicircular in shape and is provided with a toothed edge like that of a hand saw. It is considered as 6 anguli long and 1.5 anguli broad. Next is Tri Kurchak. Tri means 3 and Kurchak means blades. It resembles the trokar, the intervening space between the couple of blades attached to a handle measuring 5 fingers in length and is equal to the width of a brihi seed. The entire length is 8 fingers. It resembles thin-edged sharp trokar. It is better explained by the instrument consisting of 3 needles fixed on a round wooden handle. According to Acharya Shushruta, the length of the instrument is 6 anguli, but others described it as 8 anguli long. Blade and the handle measuring 3 and 5 anguli respectively. Distance between the edges is the breadth of a grain of rice, and the end of the handle is ornamented with a circular metallic plate as a ring. Kutharika is a small axe measuring 7 fingers and a half in the handle, and the blade is half a finger in width and is blunted like the tooth of a cow. As per Acharya Vagbhat, the base of the blade is thicker and broader than the end and is fitted to a handle 7.5 anguli long. Blade which is shaped like the tooth of a cow has the width of 1 anguli. Acharya Bhoj describes the width of the blade to be half anguli. Pal Kappe mentioned another type of shastra which is known as kuthar and described its shape to be like an X. It is used for excision and scarification. He also described another shastra called Vats Dant, the calf's tooth, which is considered to be 10 anguli long, and the mouth of the instrument is 1.5 anguli broad, which is mainly used for excision. Vrihi Mukh, as the name suggests, its top resembles Vrihi seed. It measures 6 fingers in its entire length, and the edge is cut into small thorns-like projections. It is described as a kind of trokar too, the sharp end being pointed and shaped like a grain of paddy. It is 6 anguli long, handle being 2 and the blade 4 anguli respectively as per Acharya Bhoj. Acharya Vagbhat describes the length of the blade to be 1.5 anguli. Next is Ara. It resembles the awl of a cobbler and measures 10 fingers in its entire length. Blade is wide as the seed of a sesame and has the girth of a durva stem. It has a long sharp needle in handle. It has a total length of 16 anguli with a sharp end of the size of a sesame seed. According to Acharya Shushruta, its length is 6 anguli, and as per Acharya Vagbhat, it is 1 anguli. The basal half is round and the terminal half 4-cornered and sharp pointed. The terminal part is introduced into the inflammatory swellings to confirm the diagnosis of pus or suppuration, usually used to drain the congested blood vessels in the matrix of the nails and for perforating a thick lobule of an ear. Acharya Shushruta uses Ara to perforate the bone in diseases of the medullary canal caused by the obstructed and deranged Vata dosh. Vetas Patra is a knife, resembles the leaf of a Vetas plant. Blade is 4 fingers in length, 1 finger in width, and keenly edged. Handle measuring 4 fingers in length. It's a long, sharp, cutting instrument shaped like leaf of a rattan or Calamus rotanga. Its edge is finely serrated and very sharp. Blade and handle are equal in length, measuring 4 anguli. As per Acharya Bhoj, blade is 1 anguli wide and is used for puncturing vessels in phlebotomy. Badish, it is a modern hook. As per Acharya Bhoj, the total length is to be 6 anguli, hook being half anguli and handle 5.5 anguli long. The end is bent, the curvature varies and may be shaped like a half moon. Acharya Shushruta describes its use for extraction of foreign bodies. It is also mentioned for transfixing the membranous expansion in the operations for pterygium and for fixing and dragging the uvula and tonsil before performing any surgeries on these parts. Chakradat mentioned its use for fixing a growth before its excision by the knife. Acharya Palkape mentioned Badish as 8 anguli long, the end being rounded like a wheel and used for raising the membranes of the eye globe during the eye surgeries. Danta Shanku, as the name suggests, it's a pincers for extracting teeth and somewhat resembles the Vrihimukh in shape. Its head is half an anguli long, quadrangular in shape and has a sharp edge. Acharya Shushruta described the end as slightly bent, sharp and shaped like the fresh leaf of Java. As per Acharya Bhoj, the end to be like that of a Vrihimukh. Acharya Vagbhat described a similar instrument called Dant Lekhan or tooth sealer or scraper, which is quadrangular in shape, one side being sharp-edged and opposite side little lengthened. It is used for the extraction of sawdust and tartar from the teeth. Eshani or probe is used in probing or searching the course or track or direction of the pus-filled tract. Its face resembles Gandupad or earthworm in appearance. Now the functions of Shastra as per Acharya Shushruta is Chedan, that is excising or cutting, Bhedan means breaking, Vyadhan puncturing, Patan tearing or splitting, Sivan suturing, Ashan probing, Lekhan scraping, and Prachan is scratching, incising or minute puncturing. Apart from these, Acharya Vagbhat also added Utpatan means extracting, Kuttan is beating or hitting, Manthan churning, Grahan holding or grasping, and Dahan burning or cautery under the functions of sharp instruments or Shastra. Shastra Kosh is usually refers to a sheath for keeping the weapon in it for its maintenance and protection. It should be 9 angul in width and 12 angul in length and made from jute, leaves, wood, silk, inner bark of trees or soft leather. It should be endowed with threads, well stitched with compartment for different instruments and should be kept wrapped in a wool. Its mouth closed and held tight with a rod acting like a bolt and pleasing to look at. Shastrapayana is tempering of the instruments. It is of 3 types: Sharpayana, Udakpayana and Telpayana. Sharpayana is used for excision of arrows and foreign bodies. Udak or Jalpayana is used for excision, incision and splitting of muscles. Tal or oil paina is basically used for puncturing of vessels and excision of nerves. Instruments are sharpened over a smooth stone of marsh varna, and for maintaining the sharpness, Shalmali Falak must be used as a Shastrakosh. Now the sharpness of the Shastra according to their functions. Masuri, it is used for Bhedan or incisions. Ardhamasuri, used for Lekhan or scrapping. Kashiki, indicated in Vyadhan and Visravan, and Ardhakashiki is used for Chedan, that is excision procedure. Shastra Nirman, an intelligent surgeon should get the surgical instruments manufactured from pure and strong hard iron or steel by a blacksmith who is expert and skilled in his work. Next is Anushastra. These are substitutive instruments. Skin of bamboos, crystals, bits of glass, kuruvind, alkali, nails, leaves of trees such as gozi, shafalika, and shakpatra, tender sprouts of corn, hair, and fingers are included within the category of the minor or substitutive instruments of the surgery. The major anushastras are jalaka or leeches, shar means caustic alkalis, dahan fire, kaach glass, upala cow dung cake, and nak is nail. Indications for anushastra are 4 articles, strips of bamboo skin, crystals, bits of glass and rock. These are collectively called kuruvin and used in incising or excising operations, where the patient would be found to have a dread of the knife or too young to be surgically operated upon, or where the proper instrument cannot be procured. Nails of fingers should be used in incising, excising, or extracting foreign material. In certain diseases which affects the eyelids or the cavity of the mouth, surgeries for the purpose of secreting or evacuating may be performed with the leaves of shakpatra, shifalika, or gulzi. In the absence of a probe or ashini, searching of a track may be done with the help of a finger, with a hair or a corn sprout. This is all about the sharp and blunt surgical instruments we used in Ashtavit, Shastrakam and different Yantrakarm in Ayurvedic surgery. Thank you. Take care.